The Kenyan election comes at a time when more and more voters in the region feel that election is just a ritual. It's just a process that politicians are willing to go through to stay in power, to legitimize their regime. But it's not for democratic principles. They do not believe in the democratic principles. So what's happening in Kenya right now is being watched closely, especially by young people. Young people who are demanding for free and fair elections. Young people are demanding for more democratic regimes within the region. So what's happening right now is being followed closely, and it will either positively impact on the young voters, or it will further actually discourage them from participating in the democratic processes. So what's happening right now will really mean a lot for democracy within the region.
Well, thanks a lot, Barbara, for that comment. You can actually tell that Ugandans are more concerned across the region. Considering Uganda is a landlocked country, you can almost tell that in case of anything, Uganda would be most affected. And, the fact that people are giving examples and making comparisons between 2008 and 2017 just doesn't seem to make much sense. But in a way, you can actually tell that there's a bit of tension. I guess the jitters are quite a bit as we await the results to finally be announced by the IEBC. Now, at the Bomas of Kenya, we've got Yusuf Ibrahim, who is speaking to a number of Kenyans, including business leaders that he has been speaking